Hello, and thank you for tuning in for your Monday weekly briefing. My name is Felicia Bowser, and I will be giving you your briefing for today. Here are the highlights. Looks like it's going to be some quiet weather through Wednesday, followed by a slight chance of rainfall late week, although those chances don't look to be that high. Thereafter, you could see a cooler air mass filtering across the region late week into early next week, as you will see that temperatures will fall into the 70s for daytime highs and lows in the 40s and 50s for overnight lows with that cooler air mass. And also might see a slight chance of rain. So here's Weather Prediction Center's 7-day precipitation outlook, and as you can see across the Arclimus, rainfall amounts are expected to be relatively light throughout the next 7 days. We're looking at anywhere from 0.01 inches all the way up to possibly a quarter of an inch or so. So relatively light rain is expected for the next 7 days. Temperatures across the Arclimus for today is going to be pretty pleasant, highs in the 70s and maybe a few 80s across the Pine Belt. But overall, a beautiful day is expected. And that beautiful day is expected because there is a high pressure system that is nearby the area. It did usher in a cooler air mass that moved across the area, that cold front there that you see. And so due to that high pressure system, temperatures are going to be pleasant and no rainfall is expected. So for tonight, temperatures are going to be on the cooler side due to the drier conditions that's been ushered in, and underneath relatively clear skies, temperatures should be in the 40s with a few 50s across the Arclimus. For Wednesday, that high pressure system will start to skirt off a little bit to the east, but otherwise it's still going to be in play, meaning that we're going to still be seeing some dry conditions on Wednesday. However, on Thursday, we're going to see the approach of a low pressure system that's going to be moving in from our west. And as a result, we might see some slight chances of rainfall. Those chances don't look that great. However, there's still a chance. And for your weekly forecast, as you can see, temperatures are going to be in the 70s and then in the 80s as we head towards the late week. However, with that cooler air mass that's going to filter in late week into early next week, temperatures will drop back down. And for Friday, and this is for Jackson, temperatures are going to be in the 60s for highs potentially, and then raise back up a little bit into the 70s for the weekend. And thereafter, there's going to be a slight chance of rainfall as well. Here is the 5-day National Hurricane Center tropical outlook, and they're hinting at a disturbance that's across the Atlantic there, and that's pushing slowly to the west-northwest. However, their confidence of something development is very low, as they're expecting a less than 20% chance of this disturbance developing, because as it's moving west-northwest, is entering an atmosphere that is not conducive for development. So in summary, quiet weather expected through tomorrow, slight chance of rainfall late week, and a cooler air mass will be filtering in across the region late week to early next week, and we could see slight chance of rain as a result. Thank you for tuning in to the briefing, and as usual, we'll have our usual Monday weather briefings, and if there's any significant weather, of course, we'll have any special weather briefings if necessary. But thanks for tuning in, and hope you have a great rest of your day.